Barkley, go! Oh. Nice. So we're here for a running session, aren't we, Barkley? And it's a bit sunny, even though we're going towards the end of the afternoon. The heat has died down at least. Good boy.
It's the first one.
Okay.
Right track. Down. Go for the red gates. And then like slow down until the way.
So run through the red, relax after the red.
Yeah.
So those are down up on here. Okay, first rep. Good boy. So this is an acceleration session, mostly, or if not completely. Luckily. Not too sure. I'm not too sure what I want to do now. Am I supposed to throw it up?
Try correct.
What's wrong, Buckley? You want some freedom? Ah, still haven't recovered.
What? For Wednesday?
From touch.
Right, box out. Right on. Right, last two. It's on your time, but you're gonna get up, get the ball, and then do it.
Oh,
So
nice.
you got a ball.
So instead of waiting for the ball to drop as a trigger, we're going to get up and pick the ball up. Oops. I'm gonna add a little bit of I'm gonna add something else to it. When I'm stepping, I have to carry the ball on the opposite hand than the foot. Opposite hand to the foot that I'm stepping, so I can get a step and fend. Let's get this one, make it good. Hey?
Little like mid thing, like in the middle of drills, so it's interesting.
I like that one.
Like if you coach, then you know why you have to do it. rugby player. So we're gonna do a rugby one grip step like we're gonna start.
I'm surprised my knee can do that now. It's been a while since the surgery, but still feels weird.
You gotta have this.
Yeah.
Not that kind of scar. You gotta.
Oh, this is our box.
The camera's on, so this is where fucking.
So when I'm attacking, I have to score on the cone.
Yeah, you just basically score.
Past, get through. Okay. 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 Attack, defense, drill in the box, and go. I'm too indecisive. I couldn't decide what to do. All right. 3. Okay. See, I just. Oh, okay. Another indecisive one.
Oh, it's actually got me.
Switching to defense. Whenever you're ready. Good power. It's not a lot of space. Not a lot of space to decide. You would have been able to use your fend. Here, last one.
Oh my god, he's so early. Oh! Oh dear.
Oh, it's not an instinct yet for me. Master Barkley, how was that? How long were you intending the session to be for you?
I don't know. Oh no, I messed up, no!
Number 3. Some nice creative drills here.
We're gonna do like a last
Hundreds. What was it?
So, you go. I don't know even what it's called, but start here. I'd count 10.
So, just to clarify,
Yeah.
we have first one standing,
Yep.
down, up, back,
Yep.
down, up, here, and
So you go standing, down up, then back to down up.
yeah.
Straight through to the third, down up, back to second to down up.
Yes.
You go straight to the fourth, down up, back to the third,
Yeah.
and then you're through. That's it.
Okay, no down, up on the last retreat,
No, no down.
and straight through.
Yeah. Straight through to the fourth one.
Okay. Still together. Should we? Save time.
Yeah.
Three times.
Put it 3?
Yeah, let's do 3 times. I'll carry the camera for this one and then set the camera down at the end for the last one. How you doing, Barkley? Ready. This is my breathing after one of those.
Is that thing on?
Is it on? Yeah.
Quote of the day. Quote of the day.
That's a day.
Quote of the day. Stop dreaming about your future. Create it.